draw cuts, the simple action of cutting after drawing the sword. Let's work on basic drawing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 techniques. The first one I'm going to look at is straight down. It's great. Come off so slowly, because everything should be done slowly. And of course, the pinky is gripping first. Shibiri. I do not orient my scabbard. If you want to cool as I exit the sword from the mouth of the katana. Ooh, black on black. That makes it so easy. At this moment, the orientation can change to provide whatever cut that I want to. I want to say inflict, but that seems like the wrong intent. Horizontal. The hand is coming back each time and it's putting the saya away, but the hand is not leaving the scabbard in case I want to back up. The reason it's being put back is now I don't have to deal with it. It's not left where I may encounter a problem. Upward diagonal, I need thousands of hours on. Do some weird stuff, but that's the fun of it all. The thrust is just coming out and switching places before it goes on to target. Mind you, that switching places could be dangerous. But then every bit of this is dangerous. This is a live blade. If I can impart anything of my want for your art, treat this like a meditation. Be in the moment. Be here. Be now. Don't think about how you're doing, what you should be doing, your judgment, or whatever else is going on in your mind. Let it go flat. Let yourself go quiet. And empty for that moment. Your feet have to lift and fall. This is a natural terrain, and it's uneven. It's awkward. It's downward. It's upward. So you always have to pick up your feet and place them back down. So your angles may change. So our leg work, our knees, our legs, all of the strength that we gain from our core. So if the toe comes down where you wanted it straight, but to remain straight, you'd slide down. So instead, you nose your toe up. The power in your legs holds that posture, so you don't lose your posture. This movement, this practice, this independent action of me in a balanced position, reacting, should be practiced moving forward, moving backwards, moving diagonally, jumping, breathing, sitting, stretching. Through all of that cutting, for me, it's one-sided. I don't switch over and do another side of drawing techniques with my left hand. I stay to the right hand, that I will need to stretch again. And within stretching, stretch with your sword as well. It is a gorgeous day. Now that's just today's practice of draw cuts. That was just looking at forehand grip. Not once did we look at backhand grip. And we didn't look at all about orientating. Orientating? I don't think that's a word. Or spinning the scabbard. That's an entire section all to itself. This is just 6 drawing techniques to work upon. So with that, I'm going in, and this sword needs a good oiling. It's been snowing this whole time. It's been a great day.